Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you students? I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, this is our English class, and in this class we will learn the beginning sounds of these objects. Okay my dear students, here we have some objects and we will find out the beginning sound. Okay my dear students, see. What is this? Yes, this is an apple. Okay, my dear students, can you tell me the beginning sound of an apple? Apple. Yes, the beginning sound of an apple is A. A. And my dear students, can you tell me which letter sounds like A? Yes, letter A. Letter A sounds like A, apple. Very good. Now see, what is this? Yes, this is a duck. Duck. And what is the beginning sound of duck? Yes, D. D. And which letter sounds like D? Yes, letter D. Letter D sounds like da. D, da, duck. D, da, duck. And now see, what is this? Yes, this is a bus. Bus. And can you tell me the beginning sound of bus? Bus. Yes, the beginning sound of bus is ba. Ba. And which letter sounds like ba? Yes, B, ba. The sound of B is ba. So, B, ba, bus. B, ba, bus. Okay, my dear students, see. What is this? Which animal is this? Yes, this is a tiger. Tiger, and the beginning sound of tiger is ta. Very good. Ta. And which letter sounds like ta? Yes, letter T. Letter T sounds like ta. T, ta, tiger. T, ta, tiger. Very good. And see, what is this? Yes, this is a spoon. Spoon. And can you tell me the beginning sound of spoon? Yes, the beginning sound of a spoon is sa. Sa. And which letter sounds like sa? Yes, letter S. S, sa. S, sa, spoon. Very good. And now see, what are these? What are these? Yes, these are flowers. Flowers. And can you tell me the beginning sound of flowers? Yes, fa. The beginning sound of flowers is fa. And which letter sounds like fa? Yes, letter F. Letter F sounds like fa. F for flowers. F for flowers. Okay, my dear student, see, what is this? Yes, this is a glass. Glass. And can you tell me the beginning sound of glass? Yes, the beginning sound of glass is G. G. And which letter sounds like G? Yes, letter G. Letter G sounds like G. G, G, glass. G, G, glass. And now what is this? See, what is this? Yes, this is a tree. Tree. And can you tell me the beginning sound of tree? Yes, the beginning sound of tree is ta. And which letter sounds like ta? Yes, letter T sounds like ta. T, ta, tree. T, ta, tree. Okay, my dear students, see. Which animal is this? Which bird is this? Yes, this is a parrot. Parrot, and the beginning sound of parrot is pa. Pa. And the letter P sounds like pa. Yes, P-pa, parrot. P-pa, parrot. And see, what is this? Yes, this is a key. Key. Very good. And can you tell me the beginning sound of letter key? Beginning sound of key? Yes, the beginning sound of key is ka. Ka. And which letter sounds like ka? Yes, tell me. Yes, the letter K sounds like ka. Ki ka key. Ki ka key. Very good. And see, which animal is this? Yes, this is a lion. Lion. And the beginning sound of lion is la. La. And letter L sounds like la. Ella lion. Ella lion. Ella lion. Okay, my dear students, find out the some objects at your home and find out their beginning sounds and send me the pictures and short videos of your work. Keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.